Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the sensitivity settings on the Grand Theft Auto San Andreas game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Grand Theft Auto San Andreas game on your device, and once you open it up, you can start playing from wherever you left off previously or start a new game. Now, while you are playing the game, if you wish to change the sensitivity settings for your mouse within the game, then you can do this by simply going into the pause menu. Tap on the escape button to end up within the pause screen, and then click on options. From here, you will be taken into the controls page, within which you will find the sensitivity settings for your mouse on both the X and Y axes. You can use the slider and turn it to the right in order to increase sensitivity, and if you wish to decrease it, you can swipe it to the left. And now, your sensitivity settings will be applied to your game right away, and you can come back to this menu in order to change your settings as many times as you want. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the sensitivity settings on the Grand Theft Auto San Andreas game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.